Hey guys, it's me, Seth Blocks here, and today I'll be showing you guys when the Windows 11 leak. What that was that just happened, I have no clue. So we can instantly tell there are quite a few differences. Like this was Cycle Bin. What? Like this was Cycle Bin. It's now front facing. And it looks so weird front facing, and it's crazy but true. Like, how does a recycle bin look weird front facing? You also have the fact that the taskbar icons are centered and apparently they glow, which I don't recall happening. When you hover over them, they have a little pop-up there. That's kind of cool. So, start menu is way different. You first have the fact it's by default centered. You have the rounded edges. You also have that they got rid of like the live tiles / the big old bulky tiles. Yeah, they got rid of those, so now it's your pinned apps, and then you have all the apps. Also, apparently, the terminal is part of the start menu, which usually command prompt isn't, but this is also a different one, which allows you to do PowerShell. Command prompt will open command prompt in tabs, and it allows you, if you had this, not just to do like Azure, that's probably not how you pronounce it, but if you have Linux, the WSL, you can actually use that, because I've actually tried this app before. Don't really care for it, but it's pretty neat. Oh no. We have this app, which says widgets. You got the weather and stuff. Oh, I can manage interests. Oh, there's my son. Don't really care now. Get my interests. So, you can make files. Let's check out file properties. Yeah, Notepad has a new icon. We have, pretty much all the same. I mean, this looks a little different. The buttons look more like Linux, sorta. But otherwise, that's mostly the same. Now there's a big search icon that actually looks like an app, and in fact, if you click it, it looks like a voice assistant when it's listening to someone. It looks like Amazon Echo. It still comes with the Microsoft Edge browser, which is actually okay. I mean, I'd say that Chrome is probably better, but it's also based on the same thing. Paint has a new icon. I don't know why they bothered to give it a new icon, but yeah, they didn't even update it. In fact, what happened to Paint 3D? Paint. Apparently, Paint 3D is not a thing now. Yeah. Task view. Cortana? Okay, you can't close Cortana, apparently. Oh, that's not good. We already looked at that. File Explorer looks pretty similar. It's a new refresh. The quick access looks the same, except you have all these icons here that actually look pretty neat. They look modern. You have that. You have your DVD drive, network. And yeah, there's just a bunch of new icons really for that. Not too much different. Right now the App Store is no different. It's literally the same. Like same apps. How does that go? Like you have Netflix. You can just get all this on Windows 10. It's not any different. They are, I believe, using a new Notepad app, which is pretty similar. But I remember, like, there's another one you could download that was just like this, and the only difference was the icon. Oh, I just noticed there's a little line here. What if I open more? New text document. There's a slight little 2. There's a slight little 2. Yeah, it has new backgrounds. Since you can't really activate it right now, we're kind of stuck with this background, but you can see there's more pictures that you can use that are completely different from what Windows 10 has. You'll also be able to align the taskbar. Yeah, a lot of features that are locked because of activation. This has changed. Now it says Thursday instead of just the time and date. I don't like this font though. Like, they need to change that. That font is, ugh. Yeah, apparently they have open in Windows Terminal. I didn't even have to do anything. That's just right click, which isn't a thing on Windows. Like Windows 10 right now. You have to do like Shift, Control, or Alt. I forgot. They don't do it very often. Oh my goodness, it's a giant recycle bin front facing. A giant front facing recycle bin, so now you can get more detail. You can see all the details, I guess. It doesn't really matter. So that really hasn't changed. The desktop's pretty much the same, except for the taskbar. Some icons are actually still the same. Like movies and TV, I believe that's the same. Tips app, alarms and clock, photos, those are all the same. But apps like settings have new icons, so let's check that out. That's one new icon. Yeah, that's all. Oh yeah, there's Paint. There's Notepad. It's File Explorer, which looks really weird. Like, it looks odd. But like the desktop experience is similar. A lot of the old features still work. In fact, there's also a new way to do that now. Just hover over this, and after a few seconds or something, it'll give you this option. You can have different windows, alignment, put recycle bin here and Cortana here, voila. But not much different so far except for this. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and bye guys.